The Humphrey Scottish Rite Masonic Center was built in 1893 and serves as an elegant and marvelous facility to host your wedding or special event in downtown Milwaukee. This magnificent edifice covers a full city block, boasting over 22,000 square feet and housing one of the largest private collections of artwork in the state of Wisconsin. With a central location, venues for all your wedding needs, and outstanding service, the Humphrey Center is truly a hidden treasure for your discovery. Our facility is designed to host not only receptions, but all events surrounding the wedding, including your rehearsal dinner, ceremony, and brunches or other special functions. The Double Eagle Pub, renovated in 2006, offers a private rental space for your rehearsal dinner with an extensive menu. Our chapel comfortably seats 175 guests and is adorned with stained glass windows and mahogany pews that accentuate your ceremony. Additionally, our auditorium, with red velvet seating, hand-painted frescoes, and decor from the 1920s, can serve as a beautiful backdrop for exchanging your vows. Following your ceremony, your guests can enjoy hand-passed hors d'oeuvres or cocktails in the Schrader Lounge, which is decorated with a baby grand piano, antique furniture, a carved ceiling, and high-top tables. Finally, the event can settle into our dramatic European-style reception hall. Accommodating up to 300 guests for a seated meal, the hall is designed with raised balconies for easy viewing of the entire room, a built-in dance floor offered at no cost, and a raised head table designed for 12. Each of the guest tables is encircled by exquisite antique high-back upholstered chairs that can be enhanced with chair covers but certainly stand on their own. An extensive and customizable menu is available for your event. With all of the food prepared on site, we ensure the highest quality is delivered to your guests. As with our menu, customizable is an important quality of the Humphrey Center, as we offer packages designed for weddings of various styles, needs, and budgets. As you plan your special day, consider the Humphrey Scottish Rite Masonic Center as the setting for your wedding and reception. Let us deliver the highest quality and level of service to make your day complete. Contact us today to schedule a tour of this amazing locale.